Tell you something. This is for educational purposes only, right? Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica. Peas and rice belongs to Guyana. You know why? Read up your history. Due to the slave trade, Jamaica did not have food. Jamaica was a very, very poor island. And Guyana had to supply them with rice and beans.
Good afternoon, good morning, sir, madam, miss, sir. Peas and rice does not belongs to us. Rice and peas belongs to us. So you can keep the peas and rice.
Blessed love and welcome back, everyone. Today we are diving straight into a heated Caribbean debate that has got social media buzzing. A Guyanese woman has gone viral after boldly claiming that Jamaica should not be credited for rice and peas. Yes, you heard that right. The dish many proudly call Jamaica's national Sunday meal, she says it actually belongs to Guyana. So let's talk about what she said, why people are upset, and what the real history behind this iconic dish might be.
Understand me? Not even coconut tree not been a grow at Jamaica. Guyana send coconut. So when all these produce reach to Jamaica, them Jamaican people say, you know what? Me go put the peas, me go put the rice, and me go put the coconut, and me go make peas and rice. Jamaicans need to thank Guyanese for showing them what peas and rice is. Yes. Do your history. Only thing Jamaica had is ackee, and ackee just kill you when you eat it. You understand me? I said a saltfish. All them things what they're eating in Jamaica. Is Guyana make Jamaica know about peas and rice? Google it. Yes. Me not joke. I shooting me attack. Yes. Peas and rice. Jamaican. Me not know where they come out with that. A Guyanese make Jamaican people know about peas and rice. Yes.
To my Jamaican brothers and sisters, I want to offer an apology on behalf of all Guyanese. I'm sure that you saw the video where a Guyanese is claiming that your main ingredient for your rice, pea, and coconut milk, was sent to you from Guyana. Now, my father was a history teacher, and so was I. I taught history at CSEC level. I may not have the dates correct because it has been a long time, but I want to clear something up. During the transatlantic trade, food was brought from West Africa and was distributed throughout the Caribbean and Latin America. This included rice, peas, and coconut. As was the norm at that time, the slaves used the ingredients that were brought from home as well as what they could find locally to create the dishes. In Guyana, we have cook-up rice. If you go to West Africa, you would not find cook-up rice. In Barbados, they have a similar dish to Jamaicans, but it's called peas and rice. And so is Guyana. We cook that sometimes. It was the Jamaicans who created the name rice and peas. That name is unique to them. Now, don't get me wrong, there was a time that Guyana was considered the breadbasket of the Caribbean, but that was in 1956. The transatlantic trade started in the 15th century, and rice, peas, and coconut was already circulated in the Caribbean. And at the time when Jamaica was being ruled by the British, Guyana was being ruled by the Dutch. And they weren't friends, not just to be sending things to each other. I'm not here to upset anybody because Major Hype done upset we with he nonsense 2 years ago. So the Jamaicans, take a big up. Rice and peas is your dish, is your creativity, is your thing. And the ingredients did not come from Guyana. Though there was a time when Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean was dependent on the rice coming out from Guyana, it wasn't the time when rice and peas came about. Abomination, no. I wonder if Guyanese going to claim oxtail now because oxtail is now within. I actually learned about oxtail in America. Bye. Have a good day.
I don't know who needs to hear this today, but stop going into the Jamaican restaurant asking for peas and rice. For the love of God, it's rice and peas. Rice and peas.
The lady from Guyana, we Jamaicans, is okay with our rice and peas.
Yo, Caribbean Islands, big up on yourself. Jamaica, big up on yourself. Guyana! Yo, there's a lady from Guyana upon the internet where circulate a video. Yeah, circulate a video. I'm looking at the phone and telling her what going. She circulate a video where say, what she say? Peas and rice doesn't belong to Jamaica. Guyana build peas and rice. Listen to me, lady. We don't want your blood clad peas and rice. We already have rice and peas. So keep your peas and rice over the part there. We could over Jamaica right there so with our rice and peas. You hear me? Listen to me. Yes, when plant no one there, the truth. Yes, when no one fame on the call of Jamaican name. Listen to me, lady. When you say about we nationalists Aki and we saltfish, that's your opinion. Me love Aki and saltfish. You hear what? Me are gonna kill you, but me not gonna kill you. You hear me? Keep your peas and rice. We're good with rice and peas in Jamaica.
The clip that started shows a passionate woman from Guyana saying Jamaica has been taking credit for something that isn't originally theirs. In her words, rice and peas doesn't belong to Jamaica. We heard that long before them. She accuses Jamaicans of acting like they invented it, while Guyanese and other Caribbean nations have been cooking similar dishes for generations. That statement sparked an instant online explosion. Jamaicans defending their culture, Guyanese backing her up, and everyone else pulling out their pots and recipes to prove a point. You see, in the Caribbean, food isn't just food. It's identity. For Jamaicans, rice and peas is Sunday dinner. It's family. It's tradition. The smell of coconut milk, thyme, and scallion is part of the nation's soul. So when someone claims it's not originally Jamaican, emotions naturally run high. At the same time, many in Guyana and Trinidad argue that the Caribbean shares similar ingredients, so no one country should claim full ownership. It's not just about rice and peas. It's about cultural pride. Historically, rice and peas traces back to West African food traditions. Enslaved Africans brought the practice of cooking rice with beans and coconut milk to the Caribbean. Over time, every island made its own twist. In Jamaica, red kidney beans became common. In Trinidad, pigeon peas dominated. In Guyana, families use split peas or black-eyed peas. So while the concept came from shared African roots, Jamaica helped make rice and peas globally famous. Through tourism, reggae culture, and global recognition, that's why many people associate the dish most strongly with Jamaica today. The argument isn't really about food. It's about representation. Caribbean countries have long influenced one another, from language and music to cuisine. Instead of fighting about who owns what, maybe we should celebrate that our own ancestors created these dishes together across oceans and struggles. Because whether it's Jamaican rice and peas or Guyanese cook up rice, the love, the coconut milk, and the fire under the pot unite us all. So what do you think? Did Jamaica make rice and peas famous? Or did Guyana have it first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the debate respectful and full of Caribbean flavor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real Caribbean stories and cultural debates. Bless up, stay proud, and keep the pot bubbling.